Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video about Solana. You guys can see that the current idea off our chart is for price to decrease, for it to go lower. You guys can see that overall the market hasn't participated in supporting the price in Solana. Right there in this first buyer's pocket, we can actually get rid of that now. The buyers also didn't hold this next pocket of buying, so we can get rid of that too. And then on this third pocket, take a look. They didn't even hold that area neither. So we could kind of get the gist as to who's moving the price. It's the sellers. The sellers are the ones pushing this currency's value lower, not the buyers. Also, look at this though. You can see that the market in Solana has supported the overall trend that started all the way back in September of this year. Market ran up, went crazy, came back down, and you guys can see that these buyers are trying to support the price in Solana off that trend line. I told you all about that on our last video, which was on December the 10th. So did you take the bag on the lows of these days? December 20th, 22nd, and 23rd? Because if so, it's 18.68% there. Now, let's look at Solana on the 2. Okay, what do you guys think? Because currently the trend is still intact, i.e. still looking for price to go down. What about on the 2? Here is Solana on the 3. The 3 looks pretty decent in terms of stability for the buyers, meaning that they decided to come through and support this area right here. So this is going to be crucial for us to determine if this is the actual bottom. Okay, if the market continues to hold this pocket of buying here, then this will be the bottom. You would expect the price in Solana to bounce there and continue to try to go up. We can see that already being created off of the chart for Solana. So let me bring that back on the day, and you guys can see it right here. So we're going to mark that. It's going to be very important for us to see the market hold that area, because if they do, then like I said, we may have reached the bottom. If they don't, look for Solana to come a lot lower in price, potentially right here. Okay. So I'm just going to tell you that right now. Here it is on the 4. Now, I don't want you all to forget what happened on this 4-day bar, because many people will see, oh, look, the next 4 days, the market in Solana actually went up. It closed higher. Yes, it did, but it didn't recover or come all the way back to the high that occurred on the prior 4 days. So it tells us that there's still a little bit more weakness involved in Solana's price right now. Here it is on the 5. Okay. The 5-day time frame, it tells us that yes, buyers did step in. We can see it. But will they continue? That is the question that needs to be answered. And that is why we created that pocket of buying. We need to see that. Because right now, we're still under the premise that Solana is going to continue to go down in price. This is another cause as to why I'm thinking that Solana is going to continue to go lower, is that weekly price bar that the arrow's pointing down to. That is emphatic weakness. Yes, we found a stage to where buyers are trying to support the price. But given that weekly price bar here, it kind of lets me know, well, they may not actually be successful. And I'm talking about the buyers. They may not be successful in supporting price in Solana right there around $175 to $180. All because of what happened on the prior week. Here it is on the 2. Solana on the 3. Take a look at this 3. Right there. Look at how wide that price bar is on the 3-weekly time frame. What about on the 5? And then the month of December, we almost have came back to where we started for the month of November in Solana. That would be crazy. It kind of resembles what happened here on the month of March and then in April, right? But then we really held firm this pocket of buying right here. You see that? That's why the market in Solana broke out. It's because these buyers were relentless in not letting price break that pocket. Will we see that again here? If so, then Solana is going to continue to go up in price throughout 2025. So let's just see what happens. I'm not changing the price prediction though. They're going to continue to go forward with price being weak. Okay. And I'm going to get rid of this trend line here. Well, I'm going to keep it here just a little while longer. That's what we'll do. We'll keep it there a little while longer. But once it breaks, you already know what's up. All right. So that's it right there. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.